shining. Dash was the celebration last night. How? Which? Were? Who? How was the celebration last night? Peter is my brother. Dash is very beautiful. He. Him. She. Her. Peter is my brother. He is very beautiful. I can find Dash who can support my work. Anybody. Somebody. Nothing. Somewhere. I can find somebody who can support my work. He wakes up 6 o'clock every morning. In. On. At. But. He wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. Edward Thomas are my best friends. Both. Not. And. Was. Edward and Thomas are my best friends. Why you late yesterday? Was. Gone. Are. Were. Why were you late yesterday? You go to work yesterday. Do. Does. Was. Did. Did you go to work yesterday? Emily tennis while John a book. Was playing. Was reading. Were playing. Were reading. Emily was playing tennis while John was reading a book. I can't find my bag. I think I it. Have lost. Has lost. Will lost. Will have lost. I can't find my bag. I think I have lost it. I 5 tickets to the theater. Buy. Bought. Buyed. Buys. I bought 5 tickets to the theater. Henry's birthday on Friday next month. Falls. Will fall. Is falling. Is going to fall. Henry's birthday falls on Friday next month. We use present simple to talk about events in the future that will certainly happen, for schedules, timetables and programs. Dash like pizza, Dash likes ice cream. I, he. My. His. Me. Him. Myself. Himself. I like pizza, he likes ice cream. There is dash in the dark. Something. Anything. Somewhere. Anywhere. There is something in the dark. Dash, did you go in the car this morning? How far? How much? How far did you go in the car this morning? Your mother dashed for you for over an hour. Waits. To wait. Waiting. Waited. Your mother waited for you for over an hour. She dashed the guitar beautifully. Play in. Plays. Play. Play to. She plays the guitar beautifully. How long have they dashed there? Waiting. Waited. Been waiting. Been waited. How long have they been waiting there? That smells good. What dash? Cook. Cooking. Do you cook? Are you cooking? That smells good. What are you cooking? Put dash bag on dash table, then give me dash apple and dash bar of chocolate. A. The. An. The. An. A. Put the bag on the table, then give me an apple and a bar of chocolate. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.